What's good, guys? So in this little video, it's gonna be very quick. I just wanted to go over something that I think is gonna help you guys. Gonna help you guys in your projects. I stopped drinking coffee recently. I only drink tea now. Pretty cool. I feel more hydrated. And I don't feel jittery. And I'm still getting the benefits of having a little bit of caffeine, but not too much. Pretty cool. Uh, all right. What's going to help you in your projects moving forward? So, new project starts, right? You're working on a specific mechanic. Now, I'm not saying when I go over this, I'm not saying go full on to what it's going to be later down the line type of polish. We're talking about polish here. I'm just saying that before you move on from a mechanic, don't just sit there and put the mechanic in and then move on. If it has any weird behavior, iron that out first. Let's say you have a project with like a dozen different mechanics or a dozen different things that you're going to be working on. And for example, mechanic one could be like an NPC system. Let's say that don't lose train of thought here. Let's say that the NPC system has weird behavior that you would never want to have in your game ever, okay? But it works. It's working though, for the most part, but there is some weird behavior that you would just never want in. Iron that out first before moving on. Why? Because let's say that you have that dozen, you get down to the dozen and you don't iron out this weird behavior, you're going to be going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. You're going to be going back and forth between these all these different things that you've now added into your project. And it's just going to become tedious and it can become time consuming versus if you were to just iron out these little weird things uh from when you were putting the mechanic in, you wouldn't have to worry about this later down the line, and it would be you would save some time basically, and you would save a not very smooth workflow, if that makes sense. So yeah, iron out iron out that stuff, you feel me? um Stay focused, stay locked in. I'll see you guys on the next one.